circle. So feel as if you're really pushing your feet into the floor. Feel that connection with the floor. Good. Your knees are slightly soft. Your deep abdominal is engaged. You're immobilizing your body by making sure your deep abdominal is secure. And then make the circular movement bigger, but know that you have that security of your abdominals supporting this move. So you've still got connection with your core and your breath and the flow of the movement. You've still got the connection with your feet on the floor. It's strong and it's fluid. Good. One more each side. And again, let the arms drop, let the shoulders release, and take your legs wide. Just start with your hands on your waist and warm up your legs. Shift side to side. Take a moment to look down at your knees. Check that you've got your feet wide enough. Your toes are level with your knee. And then bring your weight into your thigh and over and lift your arms. So I'm going to lift my arms directly above as I bend my right knee and take my hands over to my left knee. Lift. I'm trying to really coordinate this. So I'm going over to my right, arms lift, hands to knee. Good. And find that flow. Find that rhythm in the same way that you did the circle. Hands to the floor and then up to the sky. In front of the foot to the floor and right up above you, arms in line with ears. Great way to warm the legs, the hips, the arms, the shoulders, and you're doing core work. So what we'll do now is take this foot and drag it in and lift it. Now step it back out, hands to the floor, drag it in and lift it. So take your time to come deep into the legs, to find your balance and to raise your knee. Two more. Drop, sweep, lift. One more. Drop, sweep, hold. Take this foot behind you. Bring the heel down onto the floor and tip forward. Bend your front knee and bend your elbows back. Bend your elbows. So it looks like this. Your heel is on the floor. Your front knee is bent, your chest is forward. Arms, straight arms, palms turned into your body. Keeping your upper body still, using your tummy muscles. Keeping your shoulders pulled back and your chest open. Bend the elbows again for 5. And feel the squeeze between your shoulder blades as you do this. All your body weight is in your front thigh. Back heel stretched, back calf lengthened. Now give me 5 with straight arms. So this is your first version, this is your first level. The next level, lift your chest. Ear, shoulders, hips line up. And the back leg, lift the heel. So what we'll do is we'll bend the elbows and bend the knee at the same time. 5 with bent elbows, chest up, good. Lunge into that back leg, then 5 with straight arms. Upper body stays still. Now all the work is in your back leg. Give me another set of those. 5 with bent elbows. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Good. And 5 with straight arms. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Beautifully done. Good. Fantastic. Now come forward with that leg, lift and open to the side. Just start again. Just shift side to side, and if you need to take the time to release your hips or your feet, then do that. But just shift side to side. Lift your arms above the other leg now and take the hands to the other knee. Above you and over. Above you and over. Good. And over. Then go down to the floor. All the way down and lift. All the way down and lift. Keep going. And lift. Drag that foot in, and when you're ready, lift the knee. Take the leg wide, bend the knee, drag the foot in, and when you've got your balance, lift your knee. Keep that going. Out, slide, and lift. 2 more. Out, slide, and lift. 1 more. Leave that knee in the air. Bring that foot behind you. Tip forward so your body weight is over your front thigh. Arms drop, elbows. Squeeze back. Push those elbows behind you. I'm going to go the other way so you know I've done for different sides. Now go with straight arms. All your body weight in your front thigh. You're leaning forward. Good. Squeeze the shoulder blades. Then go back to bent elbows. Can you feel that calf stretch? I do like a calf stretch. Squeeze between the shoulder blades. Straight arms. Squeezing again. Good. And this is the next level. Lift yourself up. Shoulders, ear and hip. Lift the back heel so your feet are in the same alignment, and then bend the elbows, facing the same way. Chest up, elbows back. Good. Bend the knee as you bend the elbows. Keep the knee bending as you straighten the arms. Squeeze, chest up, chest up. Good. Perfect. Well done. Now go back to the bent elbows, last set. 5, bend elbows, bend the back knee. And then 5 with the straight arms. Good. Feeling ready to do that with hand weights? Yeah, come on in. Shake out, connect with your tummy, connect with your lower back. Know that you have done that well, and then make the movement bigger. Know that you are controlling the move. The deep abdominal is connected. Your lower back is supported, and you're breathing well. Feels very different, doesn't it, with hand weights? It really works. Whole body, arms, shoulders, abs, even a little pressure through your legs. Take your legs wide. Hands on your waist and shift your weight. Right leg, left leg. One side to the other. Chest up. Take the time. I can see a dodgy knee there, Geraldine. Turn the toe and the knee. Yes, bingo, you knew. So shift your weight side to side. And we'll, let me think, lift. Over to the right side. Good. Now down to the left knee. Over to this side and down to the knee. Yes. Lift and over. 3 more. Control. 2 more. And then bring the hands down towards the floor. And lift. Down towards the floor and lift. Over and lift. You ready? Slide the foot in, take your time, lift. Go as wide as you can, slide the foot in and lift. It really helps if you can fix your eye gaze on your horizon. 2 more, slide and lift. 1 more. Hold and take that foot behind you, heel down. Tip forward, so you've got a stretch in the back leg. Bend your front knee and bend your elbows back. So you should feel this in the back of the arms, between your shoulder blades and through the back of your leg. Straight arms, 5. Keep the hands close to the body. Turn the palms in. Good, and put all your body weight through your front thigh. Second round, bent elbows. 5, 4, keep going. 3, 2, straight arms. Good, keep the control in the arms. Perfect, and now we make it harder. Lift, completely upright in your body. Lift your back heel, bend your back knee, and pull the elbows behind you as you bend the back leg. 5 of those, squeeze the shoulder blades. Now all the weight is in your back leg. Try it with straight arms. 5, 4, go back more than you come forward. Excellent. And second set, last set, bend elbows. Check out the stability of that front knee. Knee in line with toes. And then straight arms, last set. Stay there, good. Perfect. Drag that foot forward. Lift the knee, lift the arms, step out. I'm just going to start by bringing my hands to my waist. Shifting side to side. Give me a few moments to think it through and make sure I get the right side. It could go wrong. It has done. Lift the arms this side. Yes, so you're directly above you even though you've bent the knee. And then hands to opposite knee. Directly above you, over to the opposite knee. Breathe in and breathe out. You ready to go deeper? Hands to the floor. Don't go faster, just go lower. Feel the legs work harder. Good, the slower you go, the stronger you are. Now drag the foot in, lift the arms, lift the knee. Take the leg out, drag the foot in, lift the arms, lift the knee. Over and lift. 2 more. And 1 more. Hold your balance, hold the knee lift, drop the shoulders. Take this foot behind, heel on the floor, tip your chest forward over your front thigh, bend the elbows. So squeeze your shoulder blades, find that toning in the back of your arms and bring your chest towards your thigh. Good, so you're hinging forward. Straight arms for 5. Keeping your body still. Well, that's the function of your core, abdominals and back. Bend the elbows. Bend that front knee and put all your body weight into your front thigh. Check that your knee lines up with your toes. Now give me straight arms. 5 of those. And see how high you can lift your arms behind you. Okay, here's where we make it harder. Lift your chest, lift your back heel, bend your back knee, and bring your elbows back. 5. Bring the elbows back. 4. Breathe out. 3, 2, straight arms, straight behind. 5, 4, good control. 3, 2, bent elbows, bent knee. This is your last set. 5, 4, 3, squeeze those shoulder blades, tighten your tummy, straight arms. 5, go as high as you can behind you, palms turn in. Well done. Step your foot in, pump out your feet, roll through your hips, and take your hands in front of your chest as you just finish with that big circle. Abdominal work. Releasing. Lots of knee bend, lots of hip movement. Rolling. One more each side. Perfect. And one last move before we move on. So I'm just going to shift side to side as we did. But this time bring your hands across your heart. When you go over to this side, rotate. So turn to look behind you and then turn to face the front. Let's try it with the hands out to the side. So turn and face the front. Now add in a lift. Turn, face the front and lift. Good, so 3 options there. First option, hands across your chest. Second option, arms out to the side. And here's the third option. Can you feel the upper back? I'm only going to do 2 more. And I'm very aware that my right leg is working very hard. Good, so bring your hands all the way down. Move that through. Move that through. So think about that lactic acid that's built up in that thigh. Movement will help to release it. Then when you're ready, take all your weight through your left leg. Bring your hands across your chest. Turn and release. How does that feel? Is that all right? If you're comfortable, bring your elbows up. So it's an abdominal work, it's a rotational work, and we've got the arms. So this time, turn and lift. Behind you with the arms. Turn, palms face forward, and behind you with the arms. Good, that looks amazing. You look just like my lesson plan. I want to do one more. Good, this is exactly the way it was supposed to go. So come into the middle. I'm so excited, I'm just going to do more arms. Bring your hands all the way down. Draw your chin to your chest. And fold in yourself and put your hand weights in the front of your mat. And release your arms. And I always think the arms need a release, but so do the legs. So bring your hands either to the top of your knees or come down to